You worked hard, you saved, you put away $10,000 in your bank account. But what if I told you that in just a few years, that same $10,000 could silently shrink to just $6,300 in value? And the worst part, you won't even notice it happening. This isn't a scam, it's not fraud, it's called inflation, and it's killing your savings. Every single year the prices of goods and services quietly go up. That's inflation. A loaf of bread that cost $1 5 years ago, it's now $1.50 or more. Your rent, fuel, groceries, almost everything is more expensive today than yesterday. But here's the dangerous part. Your $10,000 in the bank isn't growing fast enough to keep up. In fact, if inflation averages just 6% a year, in 10 years, your $10,000 will only have the buying power of $5,400 to $6,300. That's not just a decrease, that's a silent robbery. You thought you were doing the smart thing, saving, being responsible. But the system isn't built for savers, it's built for borrowers and investors. While your money sits still, losing value, the banks use your money to earn profits elsewhere, and you get maybe 0.01% interest, if that. Meanwhile, your rent goes up, your grocery bills rise, and your future gets dimmer. This is how millions are falling behind financially, without ever realizing why. Inflation isn't slowing down. In fact, global economies are printing more money than ever before, which means your savings are being devalued at record speed. If you're saving money the old-fashioned way, you're not being safe, you're being left behind. The real question is, protecting yourself starts with understanding where to store your money wisely. Things like high-yield savings accounts, inflation-beating assets, or even low-risk investments. But we'll cover those in another video. For now, remember this. Cash is no longer king. It's quietly crumbling. So the next time you look at your bank balance, ask yourself, is this number growing or slowly disappearing? Hit subscribe if you're ready to fight back against inflation and win. Because the longer you wait, the less your money is worth.